Hey, welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the last episode. I like you to please leave a comment, share these videos, and let people know about this. This is Oba Snazzy, and I'm just trying to chip in one or two things so that I can help people, get, results for their relationship and also know things that they need to put in place when and how to go about it. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Oba Snazzy, and welcome to HQ Max. And this is where we talk about everything from tech to relationship to life. And please support our brand by sharing this video. And if you also want a video that is as clean, as beautiful, I'm also going to be leaving some links on some jobs that we've done in the past, and we want to do more. Kindly hit us on this number 081 or leave a comment or enter my DM at 24 hours every day. Me at the work. So, may not just try, reach me, then I will definitely respond to all on our messages and give una better price. Thank you. I beg may not help me. I get picking. I get three picking. I get wife while they take care, and I the only also way I get with this. So I beg. I dey do am well. I get better machine to work, and I get better brain. This production at my company do am, so make una see say we dey try for where we dey. All right. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Today, loyalty test. Wetin you go do if you discover say the loyalty test wey you do na scam? E be like say you no understand dat question. Make I throw am again. Wetin you go do, you wey you dey watch me right now, when you realize say the loyalty test wey you do, wey you say make person help you do your boyfriend, or make you talk say make person help you do your girlfriend, na scam, say dem scam you on top, na everything wey happen na lie. E hook you. Na wetin we wan talk about today on HQ Max with this, because relationship don turn different thing for this century wey we dey. Everybody just wan do loyalty test. They wan know maybe their woman na their woman, and they wan know maybe na their man na their man. And e dey keep me wondering say, come, abeg, you wey you dey even dey do the loyalty test, you dey 100% sure say na the only woman wey you go knack till you comot for this earth? Or you wey you dey do the loyalty test, you sure say na the only man wey you go knack till you comot for this earth? So why you dey disturb your medulla oblongata, dey even dey disturb peace wey you suppose get, dey try trade am for omo, make I dey serious. E like say I dey use people matter dey joke. Now, I no wan speak English before, but make I try just speak English, because I know a lot of people don't even understand pidgin, but no, people understand pidgin. Why you dey do like this now? No be loyalty test we dey do. All right, now, so basically, what I'm trying to say in essence is, let me show you a reality. I know you're concerned about your relationship, and you decided to want to be sure if that lady or that guy is actually, honest, is honest for you to go on, maybe get her married or get her gift or take your relationship to the next level. And then you boom, you find out that everything that you ever knew about her was a lie. What would you do at that time? I don't know. Is it just this thing? It just they make me laugh. I don't know, because see, I understand. Say plenty things don't change. We don't get feminists. We don't get women with knock women. We don't get women with knock better 200 boys. We on no go even know. You get some people say they go knock on our two go know saying they knock all of now, and nobody go talk because when they get the company. Do you understand? You get some people say they get innocent face, they get aggressive face. At the end of the day, they know they do anything. If they say na you, na you. If they say no be you, no be you. So, but why you just want to toy with your peace? Why you want try with your mental? This life, this relationship, this game wey we dey play, nobody write am say na do or die. Nobody talk say na him be the only messiah wey go dey your life to change your life for better. Nobody talk say na only that man or that woman na him go fit give you happiness wey you dey pray for. So why you no kuku just nurture wetin you get, then try as much as possible to change her ways. If you dey suspect say him or her dey knack outside or get another eye, you know, that one go help you well well. E go even help your mental, because by the time wey your head wan scatter, na those things na you go dey remember say, oh, I don try my best, so e just happen this way, make I accept am that way. So welcome to my channel. My name is Snazzy, and welcome to HQ Max, made for you and for you. So basically today I want to talk about people who have been able to prank their guys and who has been able to prank their ladies, and at the end of the day has positive result. And so you're lucky, you thought you're lucky, you felt everything is right, and you know down the line you find out that it was just a lie. It can be very sad, and you might actually lose yourself in it. Something you're trying to avoid or avert is something that at the end of the day you're getting double dose of. So basically what I'm saying in essence is, stop this loyalty test. You self no loyal, because if you loyal, you no go even dey go and try, you know. If you dey very loyal, if you dey loyal wey we dey talk about, you no go even wan try say you wan test person loyalty. So you wan know if person dey loyal to you. That means you get doubt, because you dey believe say you too don carry cutlass waka for plenty woman. So you no wan make dem carry wetin dem call am, tractor, come near your own woman. Or you still dey even dey carry your cutlass dey near other women, but you no even wan make dem carry tractor come near your own woman. So you need to understand say all these things na nurture, and communication is the key. Una make una try. You see, I don't want to know, I don't want to know how e don dey be for una before, wey dey make you dey even dey wan doubt am. But I wan make you try just do one or two things for me as I dey talk now. Try, make una just try una self. After una don knack, don give una self better things, make una sit una self down, talk about everything. Talk about where una relationship dey go. Talk about where una dey see una self. Talk about wetin fit happen if anything wey una no pray for happen. That way una go put una self for check. So na the matter wey I wan talk about be that loyalty test. We go talk about am well well for the next episode. Peace. You get, to dey talk alone no be easy thing. Sorry.